Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to activate followers option on your Facebook. So let's start. First open the Facebook app. Now let's go to a profile. And here you will see that these ID don't have a follow option. Now let me show you how you can enable the follow option on your account. Now let me just switch the account. First tap on three bars on top right corner. Scroll down. Tap on Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Now scroll down to Privacy section. Now tap on Privacy Settings. Tap on Who can send you friend request and select it to Friends of Friends, and the friends of your friends will be able to send you friend request. And if you select everyone, then anyone on Facebook will be able to send you friend request. Now go back. Now tap on Public Post. Under Who can follow me section, select Public. This will activate your followers option. Who can see your follow list on your timeline? If you select Public, then anyone can see your followers list. I'll just select it only me. And you can leave the rest of the options like as it is. And your followers option is now activated. Now let me switch the account once more and show you guys. Now when I go to the profile and tap on three dots, you'll see the follow option. And that's how you can activate your follow option. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.